So what's the Grape Explorer talking about today? Well, we are talking about one of the chateau properties that we represent here for the New York, New Jersey area, and it's called Chateau Enclos de Viaud. And basically, we want to show you, this is the Lalande de Pomerol, which is a very, very special area. And if we look on this map right here, you can actually see the Lalande de Pomerol is right up here, and its proximity to Pomerol. And when you go down here, you can actually see the area, but it's the only difference between Lalande de Pomerol and Pomerol is a little stream called Barbonnier. And this property is owned by an interesting gentleman. His name is Peter Kwok, and he owns K Vignobles, and we had a chance to visit them at their property. Of course, their rock star is Bellefonds-Belsier. So we got a chance to taste all of their wines at Bellefonds-Belsier. But what I came away with, I said, wow, that's a beautiful Lalande de Pomerol. And it had all of the things that I look for in wine, which is beautiful expression of the soil. So you get that clay, beautiful Merlot tinged fruit on the top. You get that little strong essence of Cabernet Franc also as well. Beautiful, beautiful wine here. And these are what I call values, because Pomerol, of course, Petrus, and Lapin, these wines are $3,000, $4,000 a bottle, depending on the vintage. And we're not far away here. So we're in Lalande de Pomerol. This wine nestles in at under $40 a bottle. So I consider this to be really, really great value. Again, the winemaking team here is the same as at Bellefonds-Belsier, Tour Christophe, which just got elevated to Grand Cru Class A. They own another one called Aubrizon, and then they have another property in Pomerol that only makes about 500 cases, Tourmaline, which is also becoming a rock star now. Everybody's trying to get their hands on Tourmaline, and the prices keep going up and up and up. But guess what? This is the wine that I think is the best value out of their whole stable of wines. As you can see on here, Enclos de Viaud, Lalande de Pomerol, beautiful, beautiful wines. This is 2019, a great vintage. We want to give a shout out to the K Vignobles group, because they're making really, really spectacular wines, and this is all because of Peter Kwok, who was from Vietnam, French colonial. His passion and his dream was always to have a Bordeaux vineyard, and he ended up in Hong Kong, became a billionaire, making a lot of money. One of the first Asian gentlemen to buy properties in Bordeaux. He wasn't stopping at one. He wanted to buy another one and another one, because he loved it so much. And that was his passion, is to have a French Bordeaux, especially on the right side of the river, because that was his passion, was Saint-Emilion. Again, this is David Cole, the Grape Explorer, talking about great Bordeaux and talking about wine.